I gotta say hi to the people. I don't care. You come to my room, yeah. I said if you come to my room and we drink pepper, what's the pepper with pudding? I have done that shit, nothing. That's the one that goes on their phone like every 20 fucking hours. Up here, and you're not sleeping and just me for your disgusting bed. Fuck you, fetish. Get the fuck up now. Yeah, well you're on my PlayStation like every day. You don't even have a one time on those specs of yours in the sunlight. Well, I hate when you do this now. Get your shoes off the fucking bed. Do you smell that food? We're just joking. Are we? Happy? Bye guys, thanks for watching, and I got my belly pierced. And Roxy got her belly pierced. And like, comment, subscribe. And you best
Like, it's not Facebook.
Shut up! And you best like this motherfucking video. Bye. Suck your moon. Ow. Can't you just get off that phone?